You've probably heard the rumor that you should absolutely not compost citrus peels. But what is the truth about this? So the rumor claims that citrus peels are acidic and that this is bad for the compost, or that the skins are too thick, or that there are pesticides on citrus fruits and those pesticides will end up in the compost. And then there's also the wax that coats citrus peels and supposedly prevents decomposition. To prove to you that citrus peels do decompose in compost, I put my hands in to pull out what was inside. So here's what we find. First, we have the most recent orange peels. So for now, they're still intact. There's a little bit of coffee grounds since we put coffee grounds in the compost. This one here, for example, has just started. It's only been in the compost pile for 2 days. So of course it hasn't changed yet. This one has been inside for more than a week. It's starting to rot. There's a bit of rot. There's some effect. Here you can see it's at the beginning stage of decomposition. This one is more decomposed. Roughly speaking, this one has been in the compost pile for about 15 days. It has lost its color, it's black inside, and it's starting to decompose. And here is the last one. Still lemon because we're talking about lemon. It's been in the compost pile for about a month. It's black, it's decomposing, and there's an orange peel in the same condition. So you can always put your sense of smell to the test even if it's not working well. If you smell it, it's true that it doesn't smell very good. It smells like decomposition. Now, there is a secret after all. If you put orange or citrus peels in all at once without mixing them with anything else, they'll have a bit of trouble decomposing. You're going to add banana peels, kiwis, all kinds of peelings, apples. And then to balance out the acidity, because we did mention acidity with citrus fruits, but it's not just citrus that are acidic, kiwis are too. Well, you crush some eggshells and mix them with your citrus peels, and that will create a balance. So there was a study conducted on compost made entirely from citrus fruits. It was found that the pH, the neutral pH, is 7. When it's acidic, it's below 7, and when it's alkaline, it's above 7. Well, the pH was between 6 and 7. The takeaway, keep composting your citrus peels, you'll benefit from it and get excellent compost as long as you mix them with other kitchen waste.